1. Prepare the filling. In a bowl, mix mashed potatoes, crumbled paneer, green chili, ginger, cumin powder, garam masala, chaat masala, red chili powder, coriander leaves, and salt. 2. Prepare the dough. In a mixing bowl, combine whole wheat flour, salt, and oil. Add water gradually and knead into a soft, smooth dough. Cover and set aside for 15-20 minutes. 3. Assemble the paratha. Divide the dough into equal portions and roll out a small disc. Place a portion of the stuffing in the center. Gather the edges and seal the dough. Flatten it gently. Roll out carefully into a thick paratha. 4. Cook the paratha. Heat a tawa griddle on medium flame. Place the rolled paratha on the tawa and cook for a minute until bubbles appear. Flip and apply ghee or butter on the cooked side. Flip again, apply ghee, and press gently until both sides are golden brown. Serve hot with curd, pickle, or butter. Enjoy your aloo paneer paratha. Let me know if you need variations.